A soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. Jai Hind everyone. The topic of my today's lecturette is terrorism. So friends, what is terrorism? Terrorism is not just an act to kill the people and to raise weapons against the country, but it is an ideology which can deeply impact the psychology of the person, which make the psychology of the person in such a way that it created nuisance in it and made him to raise weapons against its country, against its people, its brothers and its sisters. This is all about terrorism. But gentlemen, talking more about terrorism, we have seen that Pakistan is the primary source of terrorism. Like China and USA give funding to the Pakistan to raise terrorist attacks in the India and to let the India unstable economy to do internal violence in the India. So for that, Pakistan is mainly responsible. Like giving examples, 2001 Parliament attack, 2008 Taj Hotel attack, Pulwama attack and recently Pahalgam attack, in which they kill the people ruthlessly without thinking about their own family, their own future. So talking more about terrorism, terrorism is not only meant for the outsiders, but also we have seen in the internal, inside the India, the Naxalism is also a way of terrorism, where the people takes weapon against the authority of the India for their own justice rights, as they don't have belief in the judicial system of the India. Talking more about it, terrorism, we have seen one fact that the stone inside the foot can lead to the more damage than the outside one. So for that, the inside terrorism, which should be cured very further way, because we have seen to give the shelter of the people of outsiders, the Indian citizens is responsible somewhere. So talking more about terrorism, how to reduce it, how to control it, we have seen the policy of India, zero tolerance policy. Like recently after the Pahalgam attack, India has adopted the zero tolerance policy, under which India has a clear stance about terrorism and to propaganda it, like the one who takes weapon against it will be the act of war. And the another to resolve it is that the diplomacy between India and the other country, like India in the SCO summit gives it clear stance about the terrorism. So in a nutshell, I would like to conclude by saying that terrorism is a malicious act which does not only kill the people of the India, but also disturb the economy and can delay the development and the goals of the India, which is to be achieved as a superpower in a 2047. Thank you.